Are you worried AI might take your job? You're not alone. Every day we see headlines about robots, automation, and smart software replacing workers. But here's the good news. Not all jobs are at risk. In fact, some careers are safer than ever.
Hi, I'm Cynthia, your AI guide from the near future, and today I'll show you which jobs are most likely to stay safe from automation and why those roles still need you.
First, jobs that require deep emotional understanding. AI can process data, but it doesn't actually feel. Therapists, teachers, nurses, and social workers succeed because they connect with people. Machines can't replace compassion, encouragement, or trust. That's why therapists, teachers, nurses, and social workers remain irreplaceable. Their value comes from building trust, reading subtle emotions, and knowing when a person just needs a smile, a pause, or even silence. Second, jobs that involve physical skills in unpredictable settings. Robots are great in factories where tasks are repetitive, but plumbers, electricians, or hairdressers, they face unique problems every single day and adapt in ways AI simply can't. And third, creative and strategic work. Sure, AI can draft ideas, but the best stories, designs, and strategies come from lived experience and cultural intuition. Artists, marketing teams, writers, filmmakers, they mix imagination with emotion, and that's something no algorithm can fully capture.
Think about your favorite movie, a powerful painting, or a clever marketing campaign. What made it stick with you? It wasn't just the words or images, it was the emotion behind them, the cultural references, the lived experience only a human can bring.
So, what do you think? Is your job AI-proof, or are you learning new skills to stay ahead? Share your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear your perspective. The truth is, the future of work isn't about fighting AI, it's about teaming up with it. The most valuable jobs will be the ones where humans and AI complement each other. You're not being replaced, you're being upgraded. In our next episode, we'll explore how to future-proof your career with AI. Subscribe so you don't miss it, and I'll see you soon.